Greetings back to the channel, peeps. On this episode I'm going to be replacing the rear top mounts. Now I'm replacing them because I ordered them like last year, early last year, something like that. As a replacement to, I don't know what was it replacing? Oh, bump stops, that's what it was. And I took the top mounts off and they look fine, so I just put them back on. Now I've got as you know, I've done the rear drop links and I've still got a clunking noise. So I'm going to stick the top mounts on regardless, and fingers crossed that one of them, which is the rear left, is goosed and it will solve my problem. If not, then it's probably going to be the camber arms, because it's the only thing left to replace on the rear that have got bushings and there can be any sort of knocky type noise. Anyway, so let's go and get on with it. I'll show you how to do it. It's dead easy though. Come on, let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jack the car up, so let's get busy with that. Next we're going to take the wheel off. Okay, so this is what we're going to be replacing. This is the top mount. Nice bit of fresh rubber there. And where is it, you ask? Okie doke. It's up here. There it is. On the surface of it, it looks okay, but the rubbers at the top might have degraded. And that's why it's hitting the shell, if it is this. So let's get the long socket 12 millis out and undo this sucker. Right, WD-40 time. He says, oh, this is awkward. Not. Right, let's let that penetrate. Do you reckon it's long enough? I'll see if we can get in there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get this all back on using the phone. There's my eyes. Oh, we focus. There we go. Right, let's get the other one. He says. So what were you doing, Bob? Well, I was watching Sonar Creep take ages to get a bolt off because he was trying to use the phone as his eyes. Really? Yeah, it was dead interesting. Not. But I'm going to put the phone down. Undo this one. Okay, both nuts are off. But we're going to have to take the lower part of the strut off. the connecting bolt for the actual shock, which is here somewhere, which is there. So we're going to take that off. Okay, we've now undone the bottom, so I'll just let it drop to the floor. And to be fair, it looks fairly okay, but there is some play in it, so I'm wondering whether that's a cause. If we look at the profile on this, there's not much in it, to be fair. Don't think this is going to solve it, but I'll change it anyway. So we're going to nut on there, sorry, a wrench on there, socket on there, spinner off, replace. Let's go. Okay, they look pretty rubbed out though. Really, opposed to them, all fresh as a daisy. I've still got fingers crossed. Okay, this is a 13mm nut, by the way. 13mm. So let's get on with getting that down as far as we can. Okay. Oh my god. So the bottom piece is in now, bolts in. The top is in place. Just waiting for the nuts to go on. And then do the other side. Okay, nuts are on, nice and tight, lubbly jubbly. There we go. Right, time to do the other side. As you can see, it's quite easy to do, top mounts. The last portion of the vid was me doing the entire right rear side. I'd sped it up obviously because it's, you know, a bit boring to watch. But the whole thing took 10 minutes and the vid cut off at the last second because my phone ran out of battery, so it just stopped recording. But I was literally putting the last bolt in on the bottom to screw it in and it was done. So that's how quick it is. Has it solved my clunking issue on the rear? No. So I don't know what that is. It's either going to be an upper or a lower control arm bush. Yeah, so I might need to replace them. Although they feel fine. I've given them a good wiggle. The only other option it could be again would be the drop links. The new drop links I've just fitted might be fucked. So, but I've had a look at them and I've jiggled around with them and they feel fine. So I'm a bit perplexed at the minute. I'm going to have to take it to a friend of mine so we can get it up on the ramp, because I can't do it on the floor to get good leverage and, you know, giving it a good wibble. So I'll get on with that and try and find out what it is. Right, so I'm going to end this video with that in mind, and I'm going to go and make another video now, which I'll post in about a week's time, because I don't want to post them too soon, because I haven't got that much content to put out, so I've got to stretch it out a bit. Thanks to all my subscribers I've got at the minute. Thanks for tuning in and being part of something, even though you're all not watching it. We're nearly at 500. You know, slowly catching monkey. And yeah, thanks for staying with us. I shall see you on the next video. Bye for now.